everybody, this is Shanae, aka the Swirl Girl, and I promised that I was going to bring you guys a video about how we're doing Christmas gifts differently this year. Now, we started this last year and it was a huge success. Not only was it successful because the kids got what they wanted for Christmas, but it was a huge success because we did not go crazy trying to search for 1,000,001 different gifts to get our kids for Christmas. The other reason why it was a huge success is because it didn't break the bank. So I'm going to break it down really quickly, and it's really simple. What you do is you tell your kids or whoever you're getting gifts for to tell you exactly what they want. However, there is a catch. The catch is they can only select 5 items, and there's 4 different categories. So as you can see on the screen, and also if you go to my website, swirlgirlspeaks.com, you're going to be able to download these forms. And some of you guys may have already completed your Christmas shopping, may have started on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or whatever. And maybe you can't start it this year. Maybe it's something you can start next year. But it's really, really simple. All you do is you tell them to give you their top 5 items for things that they want, things that they need, things they can read, and things they can wear. That means that they have to actually sit down and think about, what are the 5 top gifts that I want? Then instead of in the past where they go and make a long list of everything, they have to actually only choose 5. But here's the catch. Out of those 5 items, you choose 2. So they're going to give you 5 things that they want to read, wear, need, and want, and you just choose 2. Now, if they've been great and you want to do a little extra, maybe give 3 from one category, you can. But the bottom line is that they're going to get something that they want. You're not going to go around to every store or going to 50 million different websites trying to get everything on their list. You only got to get 2 in each category. So that's a total of 8 gifts. Now, sometimes, if they're really good, like I said, you may want to make it 10 gifts. That's completely up to you. Typically, I like to go ahead and get them everything that they like under what they want to read. So I'm going to go over it one more time. Instead of breaking the bank this Christmas, and instead of making Christmas all about just gift giving, instead of what the season is really about, we're going to make it really simple by choosing the top 5 items that the person wants in the 4 categories of what they need, they can read, they want, and they can wear. And as you can see, this is what the form looks like. And then once they give you this list, you only got to choose 2. And like I said, that's 8 gifts. You can make it 10 if you want an even rounded number. And then it's completely up to you what you do with any money that you have left over. You can invest it, which is really smart. You can save it, which is really smart. Or you can gift it to others that are in need. I hope this video helped. We did it last year. We're doing it again this year. And it just makes it a lot easier, and you can have more time to stay with your family instead of going crazy over trying to find 1,000,001 gifts for people. I hope this video helped. Again, you can go to my website, swirlgirlspeaks.com, to see this on my blog. You can print it out, download it. And don't forget to visit my YouTube page, swirlgirlworld.com. Talk to you later.